Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix shift key not working in your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your shift key is not working on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open control panel. For that, click on start menu. Then type here control panel. Click on control panel. Guys, you have to make sure you are selected as view by category. If it is selected as large or small icon, you need to select as view by category. After that, in this you can see ease of access. Just click on that. Under ease of access, you can see here change how your keyboard works. Just click on that. Guys, in this you can see turn on mouse keys, turn on sticky keys, turn on toggle keys, turn on filter keys. You need to check mark all these 4 options. Click on apply. After applying, again you need to uncheck all these 4 options. Click on apply, then click OK. And close this window and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then try this second method. Again you need to click on start menu, then type here device manager. Click on device manager. Guys, under device manager you can see keyboards. Double click on keyboard, right click, click on update driver. Guys, before updating driver, you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet. After connecting to the internet, just click on search for automatically drivers. And close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix shift key not working on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.